happy a bloody beam me up, Scotty. That looks bloody heavy. Just going to use my willpower to get that into the shed. Thank you, Stephen, Greg, Damo, whoever was here. Spewing I was getting drunk while that was getting delivered. What do you reckon, Gary? You gonna lift it up for us? No. Jeepers. Alright, mezzanine wall coming down. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back on the shed. We've got Black Spade Fabrication here. And we're going to try and skull drag it with his Sahara Desert Baja truck. Get into these and get it out the backyard. That is the mission. Brett, do you choose to accept? Influencing. We've got this. Oh. Got that. Yep. Okay, we've got it out into the driveway so far. Brett and Max all over it, and Gary. Got this. Alright, now we're going to try and get it up there. Welcome back to VoiceOver Mack. We managed to push it up pretty easily up on the Go Jacks. Thank you, Brett Shears from Black Spade Fabrication, for helping me out, you sexy man. Little Gaz pulling down the nails while I move the power. Yes, I am a qualified Sparky. Rhino here. Absolute legend on the night, doing some final measurements before we start chopping everything up. Now you're going to see 5 analog dudes looking at a Unimig with a digital screen with no instructions going, yep, I reckon if we do this, have we tried turning it on and off again? We finally sorted it out. Steve started getting it dialed, as you can see. Cheers to Unimig for jumping on board. This thing was amazing. It's all happening. Very fast, mag drill. Steve welding. Have a look at that, Rhino. Oh, what a bloody machine. The old mag drill. Never heard it before. It's all happening here. Posts getting done, beam getting drilled. We'll have it up in about 10 minutes, I reckon. Got Stephen Damo laying dimes. Hello, Hotshot. Nice of you to join us. Now this was the one part that everyone wanted to jump on and destroy the wall. You got Steve, he had a garden hoe and looked like the Grim Reaper destroying it. It was a lot of fun. We cleaned it up within 2 minutes, I think. Look at the Grim Reaper over here. Bloody Grim Reaper. Acro props for life. Alright, we're here. Beck wants the video, but no. We're just going to get in the moment.
Drop it in. Oh, that's so clear.
Oh my god.
Is that what I look like?
Oh no, it's disgusting. You need a welding mask over your face. Anyway, we're ready. The wall is down. Beam is ready, pre-drilled. Let's go. So got 17 people here to watch me lift it by myself.
Get on the same page. Oh, fuck no, they're just going to do it.
Oh my god.
Oh, look out.
Yep. Down on the left. Is holding on by 1 minute.
The soap is hers.
It's good, it's good enough. Rhino, you cut the plaster out of the toilet wall for nothing, mate. A couple of hot shots on a Friday night. Got it done. Alright, here we are. All these awesome dudes and girls. She's up, baby. Rhino hasn't even stopped to come on, mate. Take a second to bloody celebrate, buddy. The world's biggest beam in my shed. Now I've got to order pizza, apparently. Choices. Whatever's up there fell down. It's all good. Next.
No, why?
You worry too much.
It's a bolt.
This is not falling, then it fell.
The bolts on this one.
Alright, legends, it's the next morning, and now this is the first time I'm walking into the shed, and oh my god. The beam that would hold up the Sydney Harbour Bridge, I reckon. It is that big. Pretty surreal. My vision is coming to life pretty quick. Cannot thank everyone last night enough. They were amazing. I messaged 2 people and then the clan just showed up, and as you saw, there was 10 people. Got a bit hectic with everyone with their own ideas, and I can't believe we got it up, but yeah, many hands makes light work. 260 kgs this old boy weighs, and yeah, so today I'm going to tidy all this crap up and look at repropping and knocking this back wall down. We'll go from there, so stay tuned, you won't. Here we are after we cleaned it up today. Thank you, Tan and little Gaz. You can see he's already started pulling bikes apart today, commandeering the space already. Hector, this is where Hector used to be originally, but we've totally opened this right up now. So you can see the vision. Shed looks pretty tight when you look at it like that. No, it's massive. She's come up pretty awesome. Since the last video, obviously, if you didn't watch the last shed one, that was all insulated. I painted, put all the bonnets up. I've done the wall, well, that's the sliding door. I've done the back wall, all down to the bottom. So this will be stage 3 of the shed. I've got to finish loading all these up. Steve at ASM is an absolute legend. He organised the steel for us and delivered it, helped us out. He was on the welder, absolute legend. Have I mentioned Unimig? Jumped on board. You guys are legends. Absolutely worked a treat. So yeah, he's going to laser cut all the steel to pick all these up. And I've got the C channels that are going to go through here to extend this so I can get this 400mm back. That's good bench space or whatever. Boot of the car up to here. More space out there. As you can see down here, there's a couple of old light poles. They're like street lamp poles. So I've got to cut them out. They must have a sex swing or something up the top. Who knows what they had up there. So yeah, this will probably do for this video. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe. Full dad footy gear today. So yeah, we'll finish that off, knock this out. Got to put more beams and stuff through here to pick these up. That's why I've got the 250 C channels another Steve hooked us up with. So stay tuned for stage 3. You won't. And if you haven't seen stage 1, go check it out because the shed looks pretty gangster.